thunderstorm warning for southern Stafford County in northern Virginia, central King George County in central Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, northeastern Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 6 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a potentially destructive severe thunderstorm was located near Fredericksburg, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 75 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable damage to trees and power lines. Your life is at significant risk if outdoors. In addition to some trees falling into homes, wind damage is possible to roofs, sheds, open garages, and mobile homes. Locations impacted include Stafford, Fredericksburg, King George, Fairview Beach, Massaponax, Spotsylvania, Falmouth, Passamaquoddy, Stones Corner, Roseville, Ramouth, Thornburg, White Oak, Sealston, Jersey, Doak, Leland, Rollins Fork, Spring Valley, and Brook. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a potentially dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds possible. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Stafford County in northern Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, northeastern Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 6 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Fredericksburg, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, for those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fredericksburg around 5:30 p.m. Massaponax around 5:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Falmouth, White Oak, Glendy, Brookfield, Holly Corner, and Spring Valley. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and